African bow instruments. These are quite rare instruments, especially to young people of these days. And so with the work that I do, I also took upon myself actually to try and make these instruments accessible to our contemporaries. So I fuse and compose my music basing it on the instruments, fuse the guitars and some other electronic means, so I can get the music to be more relevant in this modern time of technology.
And Liso, is this type of sound, we're going to have a listen to it after this, but is this type of sound well known throughout South Africa, or is it sort of isolated to the Eastern Cape?
My sound, I think, is known because I'm following at the footprints of the old musicians such as Mama Marian